So as we see, objects really are simply a collection of properties, methods, and events. Objects can also be containers. We've already seen the concept of an object being a container with our text box. A text box really is nothing more than a container that contains the text that we type into it. But there are many other objects that are also containers. Not every object is a container, but many of the objects that we work with are containers. One of the basic objects that's a container is the document object, and it's the web page. If we go back over here, you'll see I've been using this document object. Well, the document object is the web page. Literally, it's the body section of the web page, because the body section of the web page contains everything on that web page. It contains the buttons and the forms and the graphics and everything else that we might put on a web page. Whenever we refer to objects, we often have to refer to them by hierarchy or by what they are contained within. So whenever we've talked about the text box, we had to talk about the form. We also had to talk about the document. Why? Because the text box is in the form in the document. That's the method at which we're going to relate to them. Part of it is an identification. Whenever I say text box, well, I could have two text boxes with this name. And how would I know which one I'm talking about? Because I'm talking about the text box in the form named FRM test form, which is in the document. So just keep in mind that many of the objects are going to be container objects, which simply means they may contain additional objects.